Hi all, we are here at Victory Lanes to see some cool cars and motorcycles, and also we'll check out the inside as well. So come with me, we'll check out these vintage classic vehicles. And here is the entrance to Victory Lanes. Yeah, check this Mazda out right here. Got his roll cage, a racing car. But yeah, I got all kinds of classics. Look at this guy right here. Check him out. He's got that roadster going on. That looks awesome. That's fantastic right there. Yeah, he looks good. Yeah, I like that. Wow. Pretty cool. That's a cool way to start this video, seeing that guy in his cool car. All kinds of Harleys, Indians. There's Wobbly Butt right there. I think it's a restaurant. We'll check that out too. But check out this pink Mustang. That's beautiful. Look at that. Got this convertible here. Very nice. I'm hitting it kind of late, unfortunately, but we will see the inside too. But we're going to catch all these beautiful cars real quick out here. Looks like they're having some sort of a drawing going on. Yeah, Nova. That's really nice. Check this guy out right here. Wow. Cool. We'll walk over here. I want to see that. Very nice. There's one of the Griswold mobiles. I actually grew up with one of these Ford LTD station wagons. It's a 429 in it. Real nice. Got some newer cars up here. I hate that we're kind of catching this late because I've been everywhere today. That Z28 right there. That's really nice. Love the color on it too. Yeah, that's beautiful. Another Vette right here. I love the black. I love the red wheels too. Very nice.
Okay, number 5, 653.
A lot of beautiful cars here.
Number 5 is going to be 653544.
We'll walk over here and check this guy out. Check him out. That is so cool. I love this. Old Ford here. But that's fun. Actually, like parades and stuff, I'm sure, and car shows. But yeah, that's really nice.
That's it.
Got a whole book. Looks like a restoration. Yeah, it's got like step by step what they did to bring this guy back to life.
Prize number 6.
That's so cool.
5577.
Got this right here. Check it out.
5577 604.
Anytime I see one of these, it always reminds me of ZZ Top. Look at that. That's so cool. Got some vendors over here too. Look at that 442 right there. Wow. If a car needs to be in black, it's that 442 right there. Oldsmobile.
I think we have a winner.
Wow. Nice.
Yes, ma'am. You won prize number 6.
And beautiful inside there.
Okay,
Very nice.
prize number 7.
Check out this old guy here. It's 1970 Chevrolet. This belongs to Snake. That says right here. Wow, cool. Check this boy out here. A Pontiac, a Firebird. Wow.
Okay,
So cool. Pulling out in that Z28. He's looking awesome. I just love the home of that motor. It's 81. Wow.
Prize number 8.
Check this guy out, the Cobra. Very nice. He's just chilling out in his car. I would too, especially that one. Yeah.
5577595.
Cool. Check this guy out. Bugatti, right there. Very nice. That mobile symbol on the side there. That Bugatti's really, really nice. Ford there, Deluxe. Got some really nice pickup trucks here too. I'm just walking around showing you everything out here that I can anyway. That's still here. The El Camino down there. Yeah, he's taking off down that Cobra. Get that 427 in it. Oh, it's beautiful. It's almost like I'm doing a one video, no pauses or anything. I'll pause in a minute because we're gonna go inside. Check this vet out. Look at that.
Alright, we have a winner. That's
Wow.
prize number 9.
It's great. The fake bullet holes in there. That's awesome.
Alright, we're gonna move on to 10. Prize number 10. 653.
So nice. It's for sale too. It's a 1928 Model A. Right there.
653
The
543.
Camaro SS right here.
Oh, looks like we got a winner.
Looks like some swag for sale too. People having a good time. Hopefully they're gonna win something. Hey.
Alright. That's
This guy right here. Oh, that's nice. Oh, Malibu
next
classic.
one.
Wow.
So we have 10
Love that red too.
random gift cards in a bucket up there.
Man, you rarely see this, especially with the window right here. That's cool. The inside of the got swivel chairs in there.
Nobody knows how much is in that gift card. So it can range.
I haven't been inside Victory Lane. I'm gonna check that out. I actually want to see the inside of Wobbly Butt right here. Wagging Tails, Wobbly Butt Tap Room and Eatery. I'm guessing it's probably dog friendly. Because check out these guys right here. Yeah, let's go inside and see what it looks like. Oh wow, this is really nice. The inside of Wobbly Butts. They have a lot of live shows here. And a nice eating area. And I need to show you back here. Check out the bar. That's really nice. But no, that's not the main attraction. The main attraction is back here. Look at this. They have a huge bowling alley. Looks like they got a birthday party going on. And check out all the parts, all the hoods and doors from the NASCAR wrecks. So cool. Yeah, somebody's got a birthday party going on. Look at that. The place is massive. So that's why it's called Victory Lanes. I thought it was a car place inside. Close enough. It's a bowling alley. It's so cool. So I had the car show out front and an awesome bowling alley right here. And dogs are welcome. So it is pet friendly. And they got a billiards here. Look at all the pool tables and games. Nice. You also look at this. We got a huge arcade here. Look at this. Right when you walk in. That's so cool. Wow. If you don't want to bowl over here, you can get a electronic bowling right here. Pretty cool. You got wild kids riding around. It's expected, especially at a place like this. Look at that huge Space Invaders game. Massive. Not a wheel of fortune. We call it like a Price is Right. Look at that. Oh, there's Jeff Gordon, part of his car. Right there. This is so awesome. More games over here. Yeah. This place is huge. Yeah, real nice. So I thought I'd just take on a little trip over here to Victory Lanes and check out the little car show they had going on. Like I said, I got here kind of late for that car show. I'm sure they had a bunch more cars than what we just saw. I hope you enjoyed that. But this is an awesome bowling alley. So if you live in Mooresville or close to it and you want to do some bowling, yeah, come here to Victory Lanes. Love the mural on the back of the bowling alley. That is so cool. And it looks like it's all electronically. They kept your score. They have nice eating tables here too. We can order. They have a little push button electronic. Let me show you real quick. Looks like right here is your what you want here, and then you have your order thing right here, and you got your scanner, your QR code that you can scan, and they're bringing the stuff to your table. And it's great. Wow. So before I leave, I want to get a shot of this Corvette. Yeah, this is beautiful. Love the white too. Wow. Love the red wall tires. It's one of my favorite body styles, the Stingray Corvette. Yeah, super nice. Want to get a shot of the inside too. That's beautiful. Look at that. Oh, wow. Incredible. They do have a lot of nice bikes here too. There's Harleys here. Got BMWs. Look at these guys over here. Yamahas. Nice. Another Harley over there. Kawasaki's. Very nice. Yeah. So, and there's that vet right there. They're taking off. Looking awesome. See, they're not as loud as the other ones, but they're beautiful. Check these guys out. Oh, it's a he and she. Looks like they're going home with their vets. Well, that was a lot of fun. It was short, but saw some cool cars and some motorcycles. And that bowling alley was amazing. So if you're ever in the area and you love bowling, you gotta come here to Victory Lanes. I'll have all the information in the description. But I think they have this once a month here at Victory Lanes. They have all the cars come out, the vintage cars, the muscle cars, the motorcycles. So I am gonna try to hit this again where they have a lot more stuff going on. Yeah, I just hit it late today. I do apologize. But at least we got to see some cool stuff. All right, guys. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.